Good morning, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sania Melidatu Rashidah. Today, I want to talk about my hobby. I have two hobbies that I really enjoy. They are listening to music and watching movies. First, I really like listening to music. I listen to music almost every day, especially when I have free time or when I do activities at home. If someone asks me about my favorite music genre, I actually don't have one favorite genre. I like many different kinds of music, so I usually choose songs depending on my mood. Recently, I often listen to songs by Bernadia. I really like many of her songs. One of my favorite song is Kini Mereka Tahu. I also like Satu Bulan, Rabun Jauh, and Kata Mereka Ini Berlebihan. Actually, I like many other songs by Bernadia too. I don't really have only one favorite song because I think many of her songs are good and enjoyable to listen to. I usually listen to music when I relax, use my phone, or do activities at home. Sometimes I just sit and listen to music without doing anything. For me, music can change my mood. When I want to relax, I usually listen to calm songs, but when I clean my house or do other activities, I usually listen to DJ music. I like listening to DJ music when I clean because it makes me feel more excited. It also makes my activities more fun, so I don't feel too bored. So, my music choices often change. Today I can listen to calm songs, and tomorrow I can listen to more energetic songs. It also depends on my mood. Besides listening to music, I also like watching movies. I usually watch movies when I have free time. I often watch movies at night, especially after I finish my activities. When I have nothing to do, I usually use my phone and look for an interesting movie to watch. I like different kinds of movies, but I usually enjoy horror, romance, and sad movies. I like horror movies because they are exciting and make me curious about the story. Sometimes they make me scared, but I still enjoy watching them because I want to know what happens at the end. I also like romance movies. I enjoy watching the story between the characters, and I usually become curious about how their story ends. Besides horror and romance, I also like sad movies. I know sad movies can make me emotional, but sometimes I enjoy watching them because the story is interesting and touching. For me, watching movies is also a good way to spend my free time. After doing many activities, I can relax and watch a movie that I like. Sometimes I watch movies alone, but when my friend or family watch movies with me, it is also more fun because we can talk about the movie after watching it. So, listening to music and watching movies are two hobbies that I really enjoy. I can do both of them when I have free time. When I listen to music, I usually choose songs depending on my mood. When I watch movies, I usually choose movie based on the story or the genre that I want to watch. I think a hobby doesn't have to be something difficult or especially simple things like listening to music and watching movies can also make me happy and relax. So that's a little story about my hobby. I like listening to different kinds of music and watching different kinds of movies. My cues usually depend on my mood. Thank you for listening to my video and dadah!